YouTube. In this video, we're gonna install one of those little glass wings for the back of the Honda Civic. Make it look nice back here a little bit better. And yeah, let's open the box and see what we got. As we pull it out of the box and out of the plastic. Whoa, no double-sided tape? Alright, whoever sold me this doesn't come with double-sided tape. So buyer beware, does not come with double-sided tape. Never mind, it does come with double-sided tape. Thank goodness. Alright, let me install this onto here, put it on here, and then put it onto the car. Now that we got the double-sided tape on the back side of the rear of this window spoiler, and she does, this is what it would look like on the car, like that. The one thing I like about this the most is that this part here matches this part here. They both flare out on the outsides, and then on the insides they're in. I think that's a really good look on the actual kit. So same way I installed this on the car is the same way I'm going to install this. First I line it up really nice, and then I peel off one corner, hold it down as I peel it off all the way across. I need two hands to do this, and I don't think I can record it while I do it. So let me just do it really quick, and I'll show you guys the after look. I mean, this is pretty much the after look right here. Battery died on me, but I took it off, and while I was putting this on, I heard the mailman coming, so I ran out front and I grabbed another piece of package that came in the mail. But this is on. It's been on for about an hour now, so let me show you what else came in the mail today, and I'm going to add to the car that makes it look a little bit better too.